The 2025 ICON Linglong not only puts a lot of effort into its appearance, but also plays a good card in terms of cost effectiveness. The starting price is only 96,900 yuan. Despite the price reduction, no compromise has been made in the safety performance of the Geely ICON Linglong. Built on the BMA global modular architecture, the vehicle uses up to 67.13% high-strength steel and has passed more than 80 crash tests, ensuring that the vehicle can protect the safety of its passengers at the highest level in the event of an accident. The multiple force transmission paths designed in the front longitudinal beam intelligently distribute the collision energy and ensure the integrity of the cabin. As for the suspension system, it adopts the combination of McPherson at the front and E-shaped multi-link suspension at the rear. Such a design not only helps to improve the vehicle's road-holding stability, but also effectively filters the bumps on the road, providing passengers with a more comfortable driving experience. In particular, the spring tube separation arrangement of the rear suspension further optimizes the vibration reduction effect and reduces vibrations to the rear area. When it comes to intelligent driving assistance systems, Geely ICON Linglong stands out sincerely. Even the entry-level model has a standard cruise control system. The models above the middle class offer L2 driving assistance systems such as Intelligent Navigation System and AEB Automatic Emergency Braking System. The latter uses the advanced 77 GHz millimeter wave radar and autolive front camera, which can automatically brake at speeds up to 50 km per hour, greatly improving driving safety. In the cockpit, the 10.25-inch LCD instrument panel and 12.3-inch central control screen combine with Geely's Galaxy OS operating system to provide a smooth, multi-screen, intelligent and interactive experience. Whether it's navigation, music playback or voice control, all can be easily realized, making driving easier and more enjoyable. For novice drivers, Geely ICON Linglong's 540 degrees panoramic view system and APA fully automatic parking function make parking a breeze, whether you're looking for a parking space in a narrow street or a free space in a crowded parking lot. Overall, it has surprised consumers not only in terms of price, but also made significant improvements in safety, comfort, and smart driving. Whether you're a beginner in the training period or an experienced driver, it can give you different surprises.